Hi, my name's Rhino, and today we're going to let Fiverr design my emotes and compare them to the emotes I already have. So let's get into it. Hi guys, before we get into the video, I just want to say I stream on Twitch at 6 p.m. Eastern. It's usually Monday, Tuesdays, Thursday, Fridays. Sometimes on the weekends, sometimes not, but we will see. We're still settling in, but right now we're just going to get into Fiverr. We're gonna see who can make me some emotes. Let's go. This has changed since I last been here, to be honest. It's insane. I love all these. These are so good. So we're gonna start off with a low costing one. So we're gonna choose this one. All right, we're gonna have to get a picture of myself, and we're gonna have to host it real quick. So that's what we're gonna do. Right, first, please provide a short, simpler, detailed instruction for this work. So, right now I have on screen that I'm going to show you is a fire emote. This is one of the first emotes that I did, and I think I want a new one. So we're going to try to explain to them what we really want. I'm looking for a whoopsie emote with a pink beanie with flames in the background. Right? That's what I'm looking for, right? All right, let's start the order. This guy works in AI format. Wow. All right, next. Here we go. Chibi emotes and sub badges. This has to be. This is cute. Oh my god, this is cute. We have to do this one. Nice and simple description and photos of your request. All right, so this one, I have a dead emote where I'm kind of like this, right? On the ground, kind of dead. And I kind of want to see what they can do with it. For this emote, I want a dead emote laying on the ground, staring into the abyss. Dead. Pink beanie, plaid shirt. Start order. I really like this person's style. So we're going to go with a $30 package. All right, so for this one, I want a new comfy emote. I think my comfy emote is kind of bleh, you know? So we're going to do a comfy emote. Oh, for this emote, I want a comfy emote, me wrapped in a blankie. And I attach the image for myself as reference. All right, so he doesn't necessarily need a lot. Order in progress. So, now that is going through, I will come back with all the results in not a few days, probably in about 2 weeks or so. So, yeah. Be right back. All right, so it's been a week, and that was really fast. For art, I think that was really fast. For a week, everyone got it to me under the time limit. And like that's really good. This is Fiverr. Fiverr doesn't seem to have a good reputation as of yet, but I think you can find really good people, really good art on Fiverr for a good price. Maybe a little bit too low for people, and I think that's a problem right now because people underprice themselves, and I feel bad. But we're gonna see what we got. I saw the previews. I saw the previews of the sketches, and then the ending I haven't seen yet. So we're gonna look at them. We're gonna start with the lowest tier, then we're gonna compare, and then at the end of the video, we are going to see how they look on Twitch. See if they hold up. We're gonna start with the first one, and this was the $5 tier. So expectations for $5 for art can't be really that high, but I'm hoping for something something good, like surprise me. I want them to surprise me. For this one, I wanted like a oopsies type emote, so kind of like a with fire in the background, like I messed up, oh no. So let's see what they came up with, and then we're gonna compare. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is insane! I got that for $5. I tipped him. Don't worry. Always tip your artist, by the way. This is insane for $5. Oh my god, the guy needs to up. He needs to up his game. Oh my god, look at these flames. They're so good. And the flannel, the purple flannel. Oh, it's I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy with this. You have no idea. This is $5. Guys, this is $5. Oh my god. I can't explain to you how insane that is for artwork. Like, I kind of feel bad. I did tip him, but maybe I'll go back and like do another emo and then tip him higher, because that's really good. So with this, we're gonna see side by side what mine is compared to what theirs is. So it's pretty much varying ideas. All right, so here they are side by side. The one on the left is mine. The one on the right is what the artist came up with. So, as you know, on the left, this is one of the very first emotes. First of all, the reason that these are kind of blurry is because the Twitch sizes are 28, 56, and 112. A lot of artists reserve the rights to have their stuff used on media, so they give us the small sizes so they can't be. So that's totally fine. I didn't pay for the higher amount. Didn't know what I was getting, so we'll see how that goes. But the one on the left is mine. The one on the right is what they came up with, and let me tell you the difference. Like, this is one of the first emotes I did, so I wasn't expecting a lot, but the one on the right, so good. Oh my god, the price is worth it, guys. So much. Like, the shading, the fire, everything is just 100% better than what I could do. What I did. So yeah, this is definitely going to be in use. There's no way that I'm not going to use this. 100% going to use. Hands down. And next, we're going to go up to the $20. I think we're going to go up to the $20 option next. So for this one, we went with this artist. And the reason I went with this artist is because I like the soft lines and the chibi. It's so cute. It's so cute. So we're going to see, this is $20. So I did some math, right? I went to a whole bunch of different artists, and I got, not on Fiverr, but like off Fiverr. So off Fiverr, the median price for an emo is about $24, right? So for this one, I'm kind of expecting good quality, but maybe not the best. So I hope I'm pleasantly surprised again. And we're gonna see what they did. But first, we're gonna go over what I wanted. So this one was kind of like a I'm dead inside type feel. Like, I just wanted them kind of staring off into the sky with not like an expressionless face. So we're gonna hope that they came up with something close and kind of take it from there. I think they took some freedoms, and that's totally fine as an artist. I hope it looks really good. This is all right. So the first thing I noticed, it's not staring off into the abyss. You know, maybe it didn't come through, maybe it didn't translate through, but as a dead emo, it definitely is so good. The line weight is like not black, but it's like a gray, and I don't like, I always use pitch black, and I have to get like rid of that bad habit. But this one looks like insane. So good. Oh, so good. And the shading on this one, the beard shading, do you see this beard shading right here? Oh, that's something else. That's something else. $20 worth it. All right, we're gonna see this side by side. Let me see the side by side. All right, here's the side by side. The one on the left is mine. The one on the right is the one I commissioned. The first thing that you obviously is that they're totally different, and that's fine. Artists like to take their freedoms, and the best thing about this is that it has my logo. I love that these have my logo on it. Anyways, the best the one on the left is mine. Deep colors, pastel colors, because Teddy Fresh. I had that in my head. I was like, ooh, Teddy Fresh. Anyways. And this kind of has like the emotionless face that I was looking for. This is like a completely dead emote. And I'm not too sure when I would use this because I stream art on Twitch. So I'm not too sure like when I would use a dead emote. Like in game, I understand that. Like if you're playing games and you die, that's fine. But like when I'm staring, like with the one on the left is when I like draw on the same like line as my sketch. Like when I'm drawing on the sketch layer with my final lines, that's like, this is what is used. The dead one is what is used. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this one. It's really good. So I'm nothing against the artist. It's really good. It's dead. High quality. Shading is so good. Has my headset. It's a really good emote, guys. Guys, Fiverr has good stuff for the price. There's nothing wrong. Even for $5, it was insane, right? So this one, really good still. Really good. I'm very happy with this one. This one might be when I hit another tier, this one will probably be in use. And for the final one, I I made a boo-boo, and I followed this guy on Twitch, and he put 2 and 2 together. So he saw me. His name is Turtle Forged. All these artist links will be in the description. So if you guys want to commission them, you definitely can. And tell them that I sent you. Be like, hey, this guy sent you. So the last tier was the highest tier, which was $30. And let me tell you, I've seen this one. It's in my chat right now. This is the prettiest emote I've ever seen. Let's look at it. That's, oh my god! It is the cutest emote I think I've ever seen. Oh my god. Can it not be so cute? Oh my god. This is so good. Look at the soft lines on the inside, the bold outline, the beard, the hat. And I love the way that this is light and this is darker, right? Guys, tell you what. Every artist that I commissioned so far has been worth the money. Fiverr has a bad reputation sometimes, and I think some people are there to con you, but I think if you do your research, you get really good results. So we're going to take this one side by side it to my comfy emote, and let me tell you what, I can't do comfy emotes at all. So let's do the side by side. Again, mine's on the left, Turtle Forge is on the right, and let me tell you that my comfy emote is crap. All right, mine looks like an egg. Okay, and I'm getting better, guys. Don't worry. So, anyways, and his just blows me out of the water. He uses 100% of this space, right? Like there's like extra room maybe up in the top corner, but he added a little heart. The eyes are soft. The beard is soft. This is the cutest emote I think I've ever seen. Oh, oh my god. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I give this 1,000,000,000 out of 10. I give all of them like 1,000 out of 10. I will commission every one of these people again just to have more emotes from them. It is really, it's worth it. It's worth it. All of them have been worth it. All right, guys. So, overall, I think again, Fiverr has like a reputation, hump to get over. I'm here to show that Fiverr is a good way to be a seller, to be a buyer, and I think if you do a little research, you're gonna get your bang for your buck. Just like this video, everything that I saw today has been insane, and it's really good money. Some people are just starting out, so that's why some people have their stuff low, which I think is like, I did the same thing. Don't worry, I did the same thing, but I think now looking back at it, I probably wouldn't do that. I would start off to where I am now, and I think personally selling, I think I'm gonna start selling on Fiverr again. If I start selling on Fiverr, my link will be also in the description. I know I didn't show you the best emotes. Those are old emotes. I promise you I can do better emotes. These are just the ones I wanted to replace for chat. And I think all of these people deserve all the love. So I'm going to put all their links in the description right across the board, right down here. And show them some love. If you guys want emotes, you know what they look like now. You don't have to test them. These people are good. So overall, 10 out of 10 experience. Fiverr, really good. And yeah, once again, I stream on Twitch, 6 p.m. Eastern, weekdays, sometimes weekends, it depends. And I will see you later, guys.